Today's surgery is an immediate implant and provisional tooth number 7. Tooth number 7, crown was loose. We removed the crown, tried the physics forceps. The tooth wouldn't move. Tried to get a little movement with a normal forceps and ended up sectioning the tooth.
Okay, we got our tooth out, and just a really small buccal plate's good to about here, and there's a little small fenestration near the end, but we'll be bone grafting that because the implant's going to be placed more toward the palatal. Okay, we're putting our implant in. We've got a 3.513. That's very neat. We're going to profile the bone here, and we're going to be using the BioHorizons system for this. Okay, you can see how we profile the bone, and just a little bit of profiling, but can make a big difference as far as how the provisional abutment will seat. Now we're going to graft the coronal space defect. Okay, we're putting our bone graft in, which is a mixture of Dynagraft D and freeze-dried bone, cortical freeze-dried bone powder. Okay, we got our spaces grafted, and now we're going to make our provisional. Okay, so we got our polycarbonate crown adjusted, and got our abutment prepped. The nice thing about this particular system, it comes with a short screw, so I can put the short screw in, prep it, and put the long screw back in to check it when we index the two together, and about ready to go here. Okay.
When you're ready.
Go ahead. $3 hours. Okay, so we got our tooth out, implant in, provisional made, and occlusion adjusted. We're going to take a look at this in a couple weeks. Okay, this is 2 weeks after we placed the implant and provisional on the number 7 area. Okay, and that's how our soft tissue looks up close. Let's take a look in the mirror on the lingual. That's how that looks on the lingual. And we'll take a look at the x-ray next, and then we're going to be looking at him in about a month. Okay.
Okay, there's our tooth before we removed it, and today we're looking at a 2-week x-ray of the immediate implant and provisional. This is the 2-month healing of the immediate implant and provisional on number 7. Okay, this is about 7 months, a little over 7 months after we placed the immediate implant and provisional. And since he's been out of the state and now he's back, he's ready for the restoration. This is the final restoration of the implant in the number 7 site. We'll look at the lingual. In this case, we were able to place the implant so that the access hole is at the lingual, and this is a one-piece screw-through restoration. Okay, so there's our tooth, and with our radiographic marker, provisional implant, and final restoration.